OpenAI just proposed that the United States government should tax robots. Not a joke, not a think piece. An actual policy proposal from the company that is approaching an $850 billion IPO, the single most influential AI company on the planet, telling the government to create a robot tax and use the revenue to fund a wealth distribution program for every American citizen. Sounds noble, right? Tax the machines, pay the people. But when you actually read what they're proposing, there's something buried in the details that should make every small business owner very, very uncomfortable, because this tax wouldn't just hit the big tech companies. It would hit anyone using AI to automate their business, including you. Let me break down exactly what's being proposed, why it's more dangerous than it sounds, and what you need to do right now to protect your business. What OpenAI proposed. Here's what's on the table. OpenAI released a policy document framing AI as critical public infrastructure, like electricity or highways. They're arguing that access to AI should be treated as a basic right, affordable to everyone. To pay for this, they proposed an American AI Wealth Fund, modeled on Alaska's Permanent Fund, where every Alaskan gets an annual dividend from oil revenues. This would give every American citizen a direct payout funded by AI-generated economic gains. And the mechanism? A tax on AI automation, on the robots, or more accurately, on the AI systems that are replacing human workers. Now, on the surface, this sounds progressive, even compassionate. The robots take the jobs, the robots pay the tax, the money goes to the people. Everybody wins. But here's the problem nobody's talking about: why this could crush small businesses. Who do you think actually pays a robot tax? It's not OpenAI. It's not Google. It's not Meta with their $135 billion AI budget. These companies have armies of lobbyists, teams of tax attorneys, and profit margins so large that a new tax is a rounding error on their balance sheet. The people who pay a robot tax are the small business owners, the ones who just started using AI to automate their marketing, the ones who deployed an AI chatbot to handle customer service because they couldn't afford to hire 3 more people, the ones who are using AI agents to compete with companies 100 times their size. Think about this. You're a business owner doing $500K a year. You just invested in AI systems that handle your content, your lead follow-up, your customer onboarding. Those systems are what's allowing you to grow without drowning. And now someone wants to tax those systems, the very tools that are leveling the playing field. This is the irony. OpenAI built the tools that made automation accessible to small businesses for the first time in history. And now they're proposing a tax that would make those same tools more expensive, right as they prepare to go public at $850 billion. I'll let you draw your own conclusions about the timing on that one. The reality is this: a robot tax implemented poorly would create a 2-tier system. Big tech companies that can absorb the cost and gain an even bigger competitive advantage, and small businesses that either can't afford the tax or can't afford not to use AI and fall behind anyway. The real lesson for business owners. Here's why I'm telling you this. Not to make you angry, not to make you political, but to make you strategic. Whether or not a robot tax happens, and frankly, it's a matter of when, not if, some form of AI regulation hits small businesses, the move right now is the same. Build your AI systems. Build them now. Build them before the regulatory environment changes. Because right now, the tools are accessible, the costs are low, and there are no penalties for using them. Every month you wait is a month you're not building the infrastructure that will keep you competitive when the rules change. And they will change. The question is whether you're ready when they do. Here's what I recommend. If you haven't started integrating AI into your business yet, you're running out of time to be early, but you're not too late. Come into AI Labs. We'll teach you how to build AI-powered marketing systems, content engines, customer experience workflows, and operational automations from scratch. Everything you need. 50+ courses. live coaching, a community of builders who get it. firstmovers.ai/labs. If you're already doing well and you need AI deeply embedded into your operations before the landscape shifts, that's our consulting offer. We build AI marketing systems, money page websites, clone content pipelines, and full operational automations for businesses doing 6 and 7 figures. We do it fast and we do it right. Book your call at firstmovers.ai/consulting, the bigger picture. I want to zoom out for a second. The fact that OpenAI is proposing wealth redistribution from AI is a signal. It means even the people building this technology know that the disruption is going to be severe enough that governments will have to intervene. That's not a reason to panic. That's a reason to move. The businesses that build their AI systems now, before regulation, before taxes, before the window closes, are the ones who will be grandfathered in. They'll be established. They'll be resilient. The businesses that wait will be building from scratch in a harder, more expensive, more regulated environment. I've been a first mover my entire career. I sold my 100-person content agency 2 years before AI made it obsolete. I was the first YouTuber to publicly clone myself. I built an AI-powered media company that generates 2 million views a month without me filming. I'm not telling you what I think might happen. I'm telling you what I see happening because I've been living in this world for years. The window is open. Walk through it. OpenAI wants to tax robots. The government will eventually regulate AI. The costs of automation will go up. These aren't predictions. They're inevitabilities. But right now is the golden window. The tools are powerful. The costs are low. The playing field is more level than it's ever been, and more level than it will ever be again. Build now. Learn now. Move now. Are you in? Drop a comment. Tell me your biggest concern about AI regulation hitting small businesses. Let's talk about it. See you in the next one.